Attention all Menifee residents. Are you tired of looking at overgrown, unkempt palm trees in your yard? Do you want to maintain the beauty of your landscape but don't have the time or know how to properly trim your palm trees? Look no further, as BluCrew Landscape is here to help with your Menifee palm tree trimming needs. Neglecting proper palm tree maintenance can have negative consequences, including palm trees can become a hazard to your home and family, as overgrown fronds can block sunlight from entering your home, and can even break off during strong winds, causing damage to your property or even injury to those nearby. Unsightly, overgrown trees that detract from the beauty of your landscape. Dead or diseased fronds can attract pests and diseases, compromising the health of your palm trees. Poor trimming practices can cause damage to the trunk and branches, affecting the overall health and appearance of your palm trees. BluCrew Landscape offers professional Menifee palm tree trimming services to keep your palm trees healthy and looking their best. Our experienced arborists use the latest techniques and equipment to safely and efficiently trim your palm trees, removing dead or diseased fronds, promoting new growth, and maintaining their natural shape. Don't let your palm trees become a problem in your yard. Contact BluCrew Landscape today for expert Menifee palm tree trimming services. Let us help you keep your landscape looking beautiful and safe for years to come. Visit https:/blucrewlandscape.com/contact to try their lawn service for free, or call/text 951-432-6155 to schedule your palm tree trimming appointment today.